Welcome in Education Success. Today we will discuss some networking commands used in the Linux. The commands that we will see in this video are the hostname with the options D, F, I, ping command, netstat command with options A, AT, AU, L, LT, LU, S, ST, SU, trace root command, if config command, ns lookup command, nmap command. First command is the host name command. Host name command displays the machine host name. The host name command in Linux is used to obtain the DNS, that is the domain name system, and set the system's host name. A host name is nothing but the name of any computer that is connected to a network that is uniquely identified over a network. It can be accessed without using a particular IP address. By default, the host name of a system is set during the installation of the operating system. We obtain the system host name by just typing the host name without any attribute. We will see one example. To display the system name and execute the basic hostname command, the syntax is host name only. The above command will display the system name. Consider the below output. Here, suppose our root at education success and we are writing the command host name. So it will display the host name that I kept my system, that is the education success. The host command is used to display the IP address for a given domain name and vice versa. It means it can also display the IP address of your system. It performs the DNS lookups for the DNS query. Syntax is hostname, domain name or IP address. Example, suppose root education success and I am writing the command hostname google.com. So it will display me the address of IP address of google.com. So google.com has address 192.169.80.128. Next option is hostname with D attribute. It displays the domain name of the machine. This option is used to get the domain if local domains are set. It will not return anything or not even a blank also if there is no local domain is set. Syntax hostname minus D. Example, root at education success my PC hostname minus D. So it will display the local hostname if I have said, just like here my PC. So it will display my PC. If I am not having any local space, local name of the domain, just like see the another example, root at education success hostname minus D, it will display nothing. So it is nothing or not a blank space also. Hostname with the option F. It displays the fully qualified hostname and domain name. This option is used to get the fully qualified domain name, that is also called as FQDN, means fully qualified domain name. It contains short hostname and DNS domain name. Syntax is hostname minus F. Example, root at education success of my PC, I write the command hostname minus D, so it will display the output as education success my PC. It means it will display fully host name. Domain name with option I. It displays the IP address for the current machine. This option works only if the hostname is resolvable. Syntax hostname minus I. Example, root at education success, I write the command hostname minus I, so it will give me the IP address of my system like 192.168.59.128. This is the IP address of my system. Ping command. Ping means packet internet grouper command. It is used to check the network connectivity between two hosts or the servers. This command is used to test the connectivity between two nodes. So if it is connectivity, it sends the message. This command takes as input the IP address or the URL and sends a data package to the specified address with the message. Ping and get a response from a server or host. This time is recorded, which is called the latency. Fast ping, low latency means faster connection. Ping uses ICMP protocol. ICMP means Internet Control Message Protocol to communicate to other devices and to send an ICMP echo message to the specified host if that host is available. Then it sends ICMP reply message. It means ping is sending the message if it is connected. Ping is generally measured in milliseconds. Every modern operating system has this ping pre-installed. To stop pinging, we should use Control plus C. Otherwise, it will keep on the sending packets continuously because the systems are connected with each other, and that's why they are sending message continuously. In Linux, ping command keep executing until you interrupt it. So to stop that pinging message, we have to press Control C. Ping with -C option exit after n number of requests, or either it will be success or error respond. We can ping host name or IP address using command ping IP address or ping www.google.com. If I am pressed like this, I am pinging with the google.com and it will send me the message. The message is displayed you on the screen. The message will be displayed continuously till I disturb it. Suppose here in the example I write ping -C5 www.takemint.com. It means I am pinging it after the 5 message. It has to be stopped. Next command is netstat command. Netstat stands for the network statistics. This command displays the interfaces, connections, information, routing table information. Netstat command displays the connection information of routing table information, etc. Example, in this I write the command netstat -r, so it will display how many interfaces are connected here and all about this. Just see in the example, it displays kernel IP routing table. It shows me the destination where it is connected. It gives the gate mask, flags, MSS window and IRTT interface. Network statistics also have option with -a. -a indicates it I am showing to all the connections with the TCP and UDP connections. This command is used to list all the ports. So it is -a means all. It displays all the connections including TCP and UDP connections. The A option is used to display all the existing connections. Next command is netstat with option 80. This command will display all TCP ports only. If it is only A, it will display all the connections, all the ports with TCP and UDP. But if we want to only display only the TCP port, we have to use here netstat with 80 option. To display only TCP connection, we execute the command with T option with A. So netstat -80 is the syntax of it. Example, I write root at education success netstat -80. It will display all the connections of TCP. If you see in the diagram or if you see in the output, here the protocols is only the TCP. Here TCP is only mentioned here. First column is only the TCP here. Next command is netstat with AU option. This command will list all the UDP ports. To display only the UDP connection, execute the command with U option. Syntax is netstat -AU. Example, root at education success, I write the netstat minus AU. It will display all the connections with only the UDP ports. If you look into the first column, you will observe that first column is only the listed of UDP ports. Netstat option with L. This command will list sockets in the listening mode only. So these listing connections are such connections that are available for connection request only. They are in request or they are in listening mode only. Netstat minus LT option. This command will list all the sockets of TCP ports in listening mode. Now it will display the listening mode with TCP. So syntax is root at education success. On right I write this netstat add minus LT. Next command is netstat with LU option. This command will list all the sockets of UDP ports in listening mode. So the syntax is netstat minus LU. Example is root at education success netstat minus LU. It display all the sockets of UDP ports which is on the listening mode. Next option is netstat minus S. This command shows the statistics for each protocol. This command is also a handy tool for displaying the network statistics such as number of packets transmitted and received by a protocol. To display the network statistics, execute the command with S option. Syntax is netstat minus S. Example, root at education success and write the command netstat minus S. It will display all the results here, or it is the statistics, what is the IP, what is the ICMP here, how many packets are forwarding. Here you can see in the example forwarding is 2, total number of packets received, how many number of total packets here 29,438, 38 with invalid addresses. So it will display all the details with the statistics. Next command is netstat with ST option. This command will show the statistics for TCP protocol. So the syntax is netstat with minus ST. Netstat with option SU. This command will show the statistics for UDP protocol. The syntax is used here for netstat minus SU. Trace route. This command is a network troubleshooting utility which shows number of hops taken to reach destination, also determine packets traveling path. It shows outgoing steps that packets take to get the network host. This command is useful when you want to know about the route and about all the hops that a packet taken. Means if you want how many nodes, how many hops are in between your terminal and from the server. Syntax is trace route and host address. Example, root at education success, I write the command traceroute google.com. So it will display all the details about in between hops. Below image depicts that how traceroute command is used to reach the Google, which have a IP address 172.217.26.206 host from the local machine, and it also prints all the details of the hops that is visit in between. Here the first column corresponds to the hop count. Suppose here there are the 12 hops, 12 terminals in between. So first column indicates the number of hop or the count of hop. The second column represents the addresses of that hop. So suppose the first terminal is there 192.168.43.45. So this is the address of that hop. After that we will see the 3 space separated time in milliseconds. This is the time at which my packet is coming or my packet is receiving at that hop. Traceout command sends the 3 packets to that hop, and each of the time refers to the time taken by the packet to reach the hop. It indicates how much time it will take to reach the packet up to that hop. So you will get an idea how much time it will require to get our data at the server or at that terminal or at in between hop. Next command is ifconfig command. Ifconfig means interface configurator. Inconfig is used for displaying network interface information. Ifconfig is used for getting network configuration. This is used to initialize an interface, assign IP address to interface, and enable or disable interface on demand. With this command, we can view IP address and hardware or MAC address assigned to interface and the MTU, that is the maximum transmission unit size. If we type ifconfig command in our system, it will give you all the details. Ifconfig with interface ETH0 command only shows the specific interface details like the IP address, MAC address, etc. With A option, it will display all available interface details if it is disabled also. Means if we are giving only ETH0, it will shows only the interface details like IP address and MAC address. But if it is with a -A option, it will display all the available interfaces. It doesn't matter it is a disable or not. Ifconfig with A, this command will show all configurations and settings of the interfaces. NSLOOKUP command. If we know the IP address, it will display the host name. To find all the IP addresses for a given domain name, the command NSLOOKUP is used. Means if we want to all IP addresses which is connected to one particular domain or which communicated with a particular domain at that moment, we are using the NSLOOKUP command. You just have a connection to the internet for this utility to be useful, because it will be work out when only it is a internet is available. NSLOOKUP command also used to find out the DNS related to query. Means it can find out IP addresses connected to the host. The following example shows a record IP address of techmint.com. Example, NSLOOK www.techmint.com. So it will give the information about the server, its address, and the following details of the name and address. Next command is Nmap command. Nmap stands for the network mapper. Network mapper or Nmap tool to discover the host and services on a computer network by sending packets and analyzing the responses. The syntax is Nmap with IP address. It will display you the host and services of the computer. Thank you.